everyone, it's Kezzie over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kezzie and this is my makeup corner called KezziesCorner. I love all things makeup and beauty, and I also have a playlist on braces if you want to find out more about braces, because I had braces before. But today's video is going to be about the Huda Beauty Rose Quartz palette, which is this one right here. So if you want to see what I thought of this palette and how this palette worked out and how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. And if you like today's video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. Let's get started with today's video. Okay. So let's begin today's video. So I've done my brows and I've actually used my NYX Tame and Frame brow pomade, which I have actually been using quite a bit lately. This is the one product that I've been reaching for to do my brows, but I also use the Revolution So Brow as well. Still don't know what it does, still don't know if I'm doing it right, but these are what we're working with today. So we're going to be playing with the Rose Quartz palette from Huda Beauty, and I'm just so excited. I always love Huda Beauty's eyeshadow palettes. They're always so beautiful. And I mean, look at that outer packaging. It looks absolutely stunning. Oh my god, so freaking beautiful. So this is the front of it. And then this is the back of it, as it normally is. This is what you find when you open the palette. And this is what you find when you open the palette. Oh my days. Over there we have like that jelly shade, which is something that she is doing now. And then over here we have like these different shades which have different colors and different specs to them. But yeah, this is the palette that we're going for today, so very excited to see what I'm gonna do. Let's just go ahead and jump into it. But I absolutely love the palette. The packaging of it is absolutely stunning, and that outer packaging is absolutely beautiful. So we're just gonna start. So excited. Okay, so obviously we have a lot of pinks going on, so you know that I'm going to be doing a pink look. Okay, there's no doubt about that. So we're going to be using, I think, this one first, because this one looks absolutely stunning. And this one right here is actually called Cherish, and it's like this very, very baby pink shade, as you can see, as it finally focused on it. But that is the shade we're going to be using first, so I'm gonna go and jump right into it. I've already like primed my lids using the Prime and Lock from Revolution. Ooh, very, very powdery, so definitely pat that brush. And I'm just going to like build this shade up all over my lids, basically on the top part, like on my brow bone, and winging it out, sort of. Not placing it thoroughly on my crease shade as I normally would with the first shade, but just literally placing that on my brow bone. It's a very beautiful pastel pink in my opinion, and it's actually really pretty to put on your brow bone. Okay, now I don't know which one to use first. I don't know if it's this one or this one. Let me see. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. I think this one is called Radiate, yes. So we're going to be taking this one, and this one is actually called Radiate, and this is the one I'm going to be putting in my crease underneath the Cherish shade. Okay, so we're just going to put that inside my crease, like literally like digging the shade in. I'm just going to build it up because I kind of want it to be a bit more built up, but that's fine. And it really going in that inner corner as well, inner part of the lid as well. But yeah, so far so good. We kind of like created a very good sort of shape for our eyes in a way with this technique. Yes, I really like the mix between Cherished and Dynamic. No, Radiate. Don't know where I got Dynamic from. I don't know, I'm like mixed up by some shades. Don't know which ones to choose. Oh, but there's this one too. So I'm gonna actually take this one, which was not the plan, but yes, we're gonna go for this one. And this one's called Serenity. Right there, that one, which is a purple, because I think with the shades we've chosen, I don't know, I feel like, I don't know, maybe this will work more. I don't know, we'll see. Today maybe not so pinkish, but more on the purpley side. maybe. We're just winging it here. And I'm going to start by placing this in my outer lid. And then what I will do is, with the leftover, I will blend that inwards as well. But mostly, I apply that shade in my outer part. Okay, I think for my outer corner, like the shade that I was calling my name, is this one right here. That aura shade right there. That aura shade. I think that is the one I want to apply as my outer corner. I mean, there's a darker shade, but yeah, we're just going to use this. And I'm just going to place that in my outer corner. There is a darker shade if you want to apply that for your outer corner, but I don't know, I wanted this one for some reason, so. So that's the one I'm taking. So I'm just going to blend that in. But the pigmentation of these eyeshadows and the blendability is amazing, so I have no complaints whatsoever. And they're very easy to work with. I feel like, okay, they have a bit of fallout, but that's not nothing a bit of cleaning, a wipe wouldn't fix. So, but oh my goodness, this shade, this aura shade, look at that, how it blended in. That's absolutely stunning. I'm going to take the shades we used before. So I'm going to take, wait, which one did I take first? We're going to take, wait, what is this called? Serenity. I guess I'm going to take Serenity again to build up that crease again. So I'm just going to build that up. And then I will take Radiate, which was the second shade we applied. This one. Have another blending brush of Revolution, so I will use the first shade we used, which was called Cherish. Like, I have to really read the names because they don't show as much. So yeah, I don't have that much light here, so today I'm just building up that first shade we use so we don't lose that, you know what I'm saying? So this is what we're working with right now, just a mixture of blended shades. I don't know, like when I see other people's videos, like their lids look so smooth, and then when I look at mine, they're like all wrinkly and stuff, so I don't know. So now obviously the base shade is left, and I think, oh my god, I want to use Cosmic Love, which looks like that. Oh my god, because it looks absolutely stunning. I mean, that shade looks beautiful. I'm just going to apply it with my fingers because I've been seeing that they apply well with your fingers. So I'm going to place that. Oh my days, guys. If you love these types of shadows and you like these types of shades, you have to get this palette. I'm just saying. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Aura. Remember that dark shade we used? And I'm going to blend that into Cosmic Love because we have to. Oh, that looks beautiful. And then what I'll do is I'll take the shade that we used, which was called Serenity, and just blend that on the top part. Absolutely beautiful. And I'm going to take another shade because, another brush, which I never do. But I'm just going to build up that first shade we used, which was called Cherished, and just build it up. But it's quite, as you can see, it's quite pigmented, guys. Like it just took away everything, which is not what I wanted. So we'll just build that up again. But something like that, I think. I absolutely love this. But what will I apply for my inner corner? Well, I'm going to be applying something, of course, guys. That's no doubt. But I will apply with my brush because I don't know which ones to apply. There's this one, which is either this one Or, well, there's this one as well, Blissful. Whoa. Look at those two shades, like these two, because this one in the middle is Cosmic Love. So I'm going to take Blissful, which is that one right there. It's like blue, but then goes into brown, which I think goes with Cosmic Love, I feel. But I don't think I will get the same intensity with my brush. We will use our fingers. Ooh, absolutely stunning. Let's just continue our face makeup. So I'm going to be obviously using some Huda Beauty products. The only Huda Beauty products I own are basically these. And I have a lipstick, so maybe I might look for that as well. So we have the Water Jelly Primer, which is this one right here. I tried this before and I absolutely really liked it. So I'm just going to apply a wee bit. So it's so cool. And it's like jelly. Ooh, it's so cold. It's so cold, guys. Like really, really cold. So you just gotta watch out. Okay, so then I'm taking my Macaroon Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. And now, if I remember correctly, this is a little bit dark, so don't judge. Okay. I have to watch out and not drop on my shirt. It just makes a difference when you actually like apply a foundation to your like made up eyes. What I'm gonna do is now I just finished my face makeup, including my blusher, my bronzer, but then I have like some products that I need to try out, but I will be doing a separate video on that, so yeah. Okay, so now obviously I have to apply some sort of concealer because yes, I think I'm going to apply the Benefit one because that's the first. Ooh, what's this one? What's this one? Oh, this one is a beauty. I never used that. Okay, so this one is the Benefit Boing Concealer, which is what we're going to be using. Yeah, we're doing that apparently. Hello. Hello. And we're just going to blend that out. I've been loving my Real Techniques. This is like my beauty sponge. It's like a Real Techniques one. It's newer. Let's use this one because I haven't used it in so long. This is the MAC. This is the Light Studio Waterproof Powder. So it's this one. I haven't gone to MAC in so long, guys, but absolutely love this powder. Very good powder. So I'm going to just use that all over my eye area. Oh my god. It absolutely just smooths out everything, guys. Honest to God, it smooths out everything. My eye is watering, but it's fine. I don't know if there's something in it. I always get creeped out when it comes to eyes all the time, but it's fine. I'm fine. Okay, so I'm gonna take this, remember this, like palette, which was like really popular back in the day. And I always like applying Uno and Duet as my bronzer. Well, I apply this as bronzer, but it's like contour basically, but yeah. Now I did a mistake. I was supposed to use my Pixie blush, but apparently I forgot to apply that before we powdered our face. And I think if I do this now, it won't be as good. So I'm going to use my Hervana Benefit blush. I really like this blush, honestly. One of the best blushes I have in my collection. It just comes out so natural then. For highlight, I don't know, I dug into my collection. I have this one. This one is the Imagination. This was like highlight to the moon. And I absolutely used to love this highlight in the middle, and that's the one I'm going to use today. This one is Slay My Life, and it's this one. And that's the one I want to use today. And I'm going to use it with my fan brush. Ooh! Shall we go with a bigger fan brush? No, Kezzie, that doesn't make sense. It's too big. I'll just use this. Okay, let's use that. Whew! Look at that. Okay, I think what's left is lips. But before we do that, I wish to obviously do something on my waterline, as in my lower lash line. And I think I will start first with, I'm going to use Radiate and then Serenity. So Radiate will be in my inner corner, mostly, like my inner part. Ooh, we're going to have to like do this really quickly, because my battery is going to die. So we'll do that in my inner part. And then I'm going to take Serenity, which is the other shade, that purple shade. And that will go in my waterline. I'll join that up. Okay, and then I'll take the first pink shade, obviously, and I'll just blend in everything. But I want to, obviously, I want to finish the inner corner part and just make it a bit more complete. And that's the shade Blissful. Yeah, that's good. Oh dear goodness, we are not straight at all. I'm gonna do my lips because now in the other video I'll be doing an eyeliner and also my lashes. So then I will come back and finish today's video. Now the lip shade I have is again Huda Beauty. I have two of these lipsticks. And this one is in the shade called, let's see, Heartbreaker. I don't know if it goes, we'll see. But I think it does. Let's do this. Does it go? Okay, on the camera, it looks very red. Trust me, it's not that red. But hopefully with my eyeliner, it will come okay. But if I see that it's too much, I will change the color. I have another color. I don't know, I really like this. Yeah, okay, it's calming down now, but had a bit of a fright. So I will be right back to obviously come here and finish the video, but until then, I'll see you guys soon. Okay, so I'm back, and basically I applied the magnetic liner and the magnetic lashes from GLAMNETIC. I will probably be uploading that video first, so if you want to go see it, I'll link it down below. But this is the finished look from the Huda the Rose Quartz palette, which I will bring out again over here. Absolutely love it. It has such beautiful shades. It's very pigmented, they blend out beautifully, and those like shimmer shades are muy caliente. And then I say, I kind of then liked the fact that I had that like lipstick on. I felt like it kind of blended in. So yes, so that is basically the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. So yeah, I'm going to end the video here, and thank you again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the look. Bye guys!